Interpreting the remainder. So there's two different situations that could happen in context. So let's look at a first example where we have 174 guests for dinner. And 8 guests will be seated per table. So the question is, how many tables will I need? So let's do the math. We have 174 divided by 8. 8 does not go into 1, but 8 does go into 17 twice. So I can multiply. 2 times 8 is 16, and then subtract to get 1. 8 does not go into 1, so I can move down my 4. 8 does go into 14 once. 1 times 8 is 8. Subtract, I get 6. And so my remainder is 6. So what does that mean? This means that 6 people don't have a table. So in this case, I will need to add 1 table to 22 to accommodate all the guests. So then there's another situation we can look at where, say we have 200 poles for tents, and each tent requires 7 poles. Well, how many poles or how many tents can I build? Let's do the math. So we have 200 divided by 7. 7 goes into 2. 7 goes into 20 twice. 2 times 7 is 14. I subtract and I get 6. 7 cannot go into 6, so I can bring down my 0. And 7 goes into 60 8 times. 8 times 7 is 56. I subtract, and I get a remainder of 4. So what does that mean? Well, the remainder of 4 means that 4 poles are left over. This means that only 28 tents can be built.